Good morning, my ladies and my gents. Welcome to Thursday. Should have made this video yesterday, and I kind of forgot, lost track of the days. Um, it's What Did You Buy Wednesday on a Thursday, which is hosted by buddy Joe over there at Big Sky Model Workshop. His idea is basically stash ads. You wound up with a big haul of kits that you managed to pick up somewhere. You bought a paintbrush 2 weeks ago. Maybe you haven't bought anything in a little while, but you got some kind of really neat idea that maybe saves some money, maybe turns something that you never thought about into something useful, for you know our little addiction here. So, but so anyway, the other day, what was it? A Father's Day weekend. Um, Auto World had a sale, 15% off for Father's Day, and on all AMT kits. So I went looking, and well, even with 15% off, a lot of their kits I could get cheaper elsewhere, like HobbyLink. And so I was looking through, and I really didn't see anything that I really wanted, really took my fancy. But there was one that I saw that Um, well, let me turn the camera around and I'll show you and I'll kind of explain. Hang on a sec. Well, all right. Here we are. Um, yes, it is the AMT Transit Mixer. Uh, I got one a while back. I haven't got around to doing it yet. And on AMT or on Auto World, they had it. It's normally like $60, and so they marked it down to $29. I guess they're trying to get rid of a lot of these because they're really not selling. So with the 15% off, it came to right about $25.50 for this. And you need uh, $50. Do that. Get the glare out of there. You need $50 at that time uh, for free shipping, and I really couldn't find anything for $25 to bring me up to free shipping. So I ordered two of them, and yeah, it got some nifty stuff on it. You can kind of see some of the goodies and doodads, and I apologize for the shadow, but I'm trying to keep some of the glare from the other lights off. But yeah, just some of the goodies they got. Um, they did have the kit here on sale. I say on sale. It's about $90 now. I thought 50 was a little expensive for it when I got it a few years ago. But I'm not really quite sure yet what I'm going to do with the other two. I got them more for the to be a some type of a tractor or some type of I may use one for giggles and laughs and see if I can build an RV body for it, just to see if I can. Uh, with all the interior stuff and be able to have the roof come off so you can see inside. Uh, I'm going to see about giving that a try and maybe building up an RV on one of them. It's a thought. Um, I don't know. Maybe use another one and kind of do a little bit of lowering, putting smaller, shorter tires on it instead of being the tall ones. You get the more low pro 19-inch or whatever wheels and tires, and maybe make some kind of a cool little rat rod type idea thingy out of it. I don't know. Stuff to think about. So, but anyway, well, well, there ends another gripping episode of the ongoing saga of What Did You Buy Wednesday on the Wrong Day. Uh, yeah. Yeah, be sure, go over, check out Joe, Big Sky Model Workshop. And be sure and go on over, check out Josh over at vcgresins.com. And when you do, use promo code Jester10 when you go to checkout to buy some of his really cool stuff. BTEX signing out.